Are you tired of watching other people make money online while you are still stuck trying to figure out how affiliate marketing works? What if I told you you could launch a complete affiliate website in minutes without writing content, without designing pages, and without being a tech expert? Today, I am going to show you a powerful new tool called CB Automator that is changing how beginners and marketers build affiliate sites. CB Automator is a WordPress plugin that automatically builds a ready-to-profit affiliate website for you using ClickBank products. It creates your site, adds content, inserts your affiliate links, and sets everything up, almost on autopilot. Just imagine this. You install WordPress, activate CB Automator, enter your ClickBank $499, and your affiliate site is live. No coding, no article writing, no complicated setup. CB Automator automatically fills your site with product reviews, affiliate banners, images, call-to-action buttons, SEO-ready content. It even formats everything into a professional-looking website that works on mobile and desktop. And here is the best part: you do not need any experience. If you can click a button, you can use CB Automator. Most people fail at affiliate marketing because they do not know what to write, do not know how to build a site, do not know which products to promote. CB Automator removes all those problems. It does the hard work for you. You simply focus on driving traffic and letting commissions roll in. This tool is perfect for beginners, affiliate marketers, bloggers, side hustlers, and anyone who wants to build passive income online. Instead of spending weeks creating content, CB Automator gives you a ready-made system in minutes. And unlike other tools that require monthly fees, CB Automator is a one-time purchase. That means no subscriptions, no hidden charges, no long-term commitment, just install and use. The software is designed to work with ClickBank, which has thousands of digital products in every niche: health, fitness, finance, dating, self-help, business, and more. So you can create affiliate sites in any niche you want. You can build one site or multiple sites across different niches and scale your income potential. And yes, this is 100% beginner-friendly. The dashboard is simple, everything is automated, and you can customize your site anytime. Now let us talk about reality. CB Automator is not a magic money machine, but it gives you something extremely powerful: a ready-to-use affiliate website without technical stress. That alone saves time, money, and frustration. Instead of hiring developers, instead of buying expensive themes, instead of writing endless articles, CB Automator gives you a shortcut. And that shortcut can be the difference between quitting and succeeding. If you have ever wanted to start affiliate marketing, build an online income, create websites fast, or stop overthinking everything, then CB Automator is worth checking out. I have put my honest review link below this video so you can see all features, loved, demo, bonuses, and current pricing. Remember, the earlier you start, the faster you learn. And the faster you learn, the faster you earn. So do not wait for the perfect time. Perfect time is now. Click the link below this video, check out CB Automator, and decide for yourself if this is the tool that can finally help you break into affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.